Now, just one more thing that is very helpful and useful. Again, if you're like me, you enjoy to clean your bathrooms on a regular basis, you definitely don't want to be doing any kind of possible injury to your knees or your back, because there's a lot of bending and stooping. There's a lot of time that you spend on your knees when you're cleaning out the tub or the shower or the toilet. So what I like to use, there's two options. You can either use knee pads for kneeling, which again you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. Those are probably the best places to get them, or Walmart. They're about $5 and they're just round, spongy knee pads with elastic around the back, and you just pull them straight up over your feet, just straight onto your knees. So you have knee pads as an option. The second option is just a kneeling pad, which you can get at Target, Walmart again, just a sponge pad that you just kneel on. And actually that's, it's easy to move across the floor if you're washing the floor, for example, but cleaning a toilet, you're on your knees for a little bit. So for any kind of bathroom cleaning, a kneeling pad of some sort is just going to make it more comfortable for you.